Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. But then you know that because you're a member, right? You do. You're not. Okay, you need to get in for a free 30-day trial. It's on me, 30 days. You get to listen to me for at least 20 minutes, sometimes even more, every damn day. It's fun, okay? So do that. Meanwhile, let's take care of Williams-Sonoma here. I really like this company. I like the stores. I walk in there, I feel like I'm a cook. And though I don't think they have the George Foreman grill, which still is my utensil of choice. Either that or a can opener, and I eat stuff right out of the can. But the bottom line is this stock, this company is doing really well. And the reason it's up so much is, guess what? They announced earnings. They reported earnings. They're buying back shares, which is always a good thing. And when money's free, isn't this the thing that you do? As I speak, this stock is going up from here. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to, just because I'm feeling saucy right now, I'm going to go ahead and buy some. All right, 156. I think this stock goes higher. The issue is just as playing any other stock over earnings. The first move brings in all the big momentum chasers, kind of like me. And then at some point, the stock starts pulling back, and that's when you'll get the real entry. And so as you look at this stock now, we'll get rid of this. As you look at the stock, you know, it's up so much. But again, they're buying back shares, and they're also increasing their dividend. They don't pay much of a dividend to begin with. They bumped it up to 59 cents a share. You know, not bad, not great, whatever. But I think the stock goes higher. And so what I would suggest doing is you recognize that 150 was this last high here. It's eclipsed it now. But this is in after hours. This is in after hours trading. If you look at it in just the regular hours, this is where the stock was. So this is all after hours action. What you want to see this do tomorrow is open up above 150 and stay there. If it starts to fall back, like coming down here, then this is a fake out, and we've seen this type of stuff before. In fact, you've seen a similar thing just back here. And so I wouldn't mess around with this stock. It's either going to reward you right away or it's not. And if it doesn't, don't sit there and wait for it to be nice to you. It's either going to be one way or another. It's either going to run above 150 or it's not. And if you buy it and it's or not, then get the heck out. You don't want to be sitting there riding this thing down 15%, hoping that it bounces off the 50-day moving average. So, okay, that's it. Members, I put Southern Copper on the active trade, as well as a few other stocks. So they're all in the green. We like that. And so I want you to be always focusing on my active trade stocks, okay, where you get everything: buy, sell, hold, sell some, where's your stop, et cetera, et cetera. All right, that's it. You all have a great evening.